Ukraine's Sting drone trawlers, $2,500. The Shahed had just killed trawlers, $35,000.
Ukrainian F-16, Vulcan cannon, 6,000 rounds per minute, one burst. Shahed, gone!
Ukraine knew this drone for 4 years. Now it's hitting American bases in Bahrain.
I'm Alex Carter. Putin handed Ukraine the weapon, now defending America.
Iran built the Shahed. Russia bought 3,000. Ukraine became the target. 57,000 Shaheds fired at Ukraine in 4 years.
Ukraine had no choice. Adapt or lose your cities. They adapted faster than anyone.
Pentagon, 5 years per drone. Ukraine, 5 months, while being bombed.
Sting, 315 kilometers per hour. Shahed, 185 kilometers per hour. Ukraine built the faster Hunter, 1,500 confirmed kills. January 2026 alone, Gring, 1,704 Shaheds destroyed. Record. $13.5 million Patriot versus $30,000 Shahed. America losing the cost war badly.
America fires $13.5 million to stop a $30,000 drone. Ukraine fires $2,500. Think about that.
Pentagon Crowley drone dominance program, 25 vendors, multiple Ukrainian companies, $150 million.
Fort Benning, February 18. Ukrainian drones tested alongside American prototypes. Results? Clear. Ukraine aid recipient in 2022. Defense exporter to America in 2026.
Merops, Eric Schmidt backed. 95% hit rate. Fits in a pickup truck. $15,000.
Breaking March 7. U.S. sending Merops to Middle East. Pentagon confirms today.
Ukraine's drone, tested in war Monday. Deployed to the Gulf Friday. Speed of war.
Gulf states fired Patriot missiles all week. Takes 2 years to replace each one. Problem. Ukraine's pitch. Use our drones on Shaheds. Save your Patriots for ballistic missiles.
Ukraine solved America's most expensive problem with a $2,500 drone. Simple, elegant, proven.
General Cherry, purpose-built Shahed Hunter. Dozen Ukrainian companies now competing, $2,000 to $5,000.
Mothership drone. 1 aircraft. 6 killers deployed 70 kilometers deep. Nobody else has this.
Ukraine didn't build one drone. They built an entire ecosystem. Pentagon has nothing like it.
No navy, so Ukraine built drone boats. Sank 1/3 of Russia's Black Sea fleet.
Iran drones skim water, same as Odessa. Ukraine already solved this.
Ukraine built a drone navy. America needs one in the Gulf. The solution already exists.
Still at war, still being attacked, and selling drone tech to America simultaneously.
Garon 3, 550 kilometers per hour. Sting tops at 315. This drone outruns every Ukrainian interceptor.
Russia may give Iran the Geran 3. If so now, Ukraine's solution stops working immediately.
Russia has one move. Give Iran the Geran 3. Ukraine's system pretty obsolete overnight.
Ukraine is building a faster interceptor right now. Race to 400 kilometers per hour, against the clock. U.S. deployed Helios laser on Gulf destroyer. Unlimited shots. Cost pro, electricity.
3 layers now. Sting, laser, Patriot. Ukraine made the bottom layer possible.
China watching. If cheap drones defeat expensive systems, Taiwan calculation changes.
Taiwan faces the same drone swarm problem. Ukraine's solution now being studied for Taiwan.
Ukraine isn't just a war. It's the rehearsal for every conflict that comes after.
Iran gave Russia the Shahed. Russia improved it, sent improvements back to Iran. Circle.
Ukraine's Interceptor counters Iranian Shaheds and Russian Garans. One solution, two threats.
Russia, Iran, China, North Korea, all using cheap drones. Ukraine solved it. Nobody else has.
From Ukraine to the Gulf to Taiwan, one drone, one lesson, one solution.
Zelensky's condition: exports cannot weaken Ukraine's own defense. Licensed production only. American factories. Ukrainian design. Millions of units. Jobs here. Technology there.
America gets proven technology, Ukraine gets funding. Both win. Pentagon sees this clearly.
Ukraine proposed give $50 billion, 10 million drones annually, 5 years, to America alone. US has 10,000 drones today. Ukraine proposes 10 million per year. Not an upgrade.
10 million drones per year. America never thought this way, until now.
Russia's response to the deal let accelerate Iran 3 exports. Iran, North Korea, both.
Subscribe now. Drone arms race developing daily. Bell on oid, miss nothing.
Pentagon procurement takes 5 years. Ukrainian engineers built this in 5 months. System is broken.
Gauntlet program, designed specifically to cut the red tape. Ukraine companies inside.
Ukraine war gave America a drone and forced America to fix procurement. Both. Putin's drone strategy, 4 years later, now defends the country he hates most.
3 futures. America wins the cost war. Bureaucracy delays. Or Russia escalates. Which?
Best case, Gauntlet approves. American factories build Ukrainian design. Everyone wins.
Worst case, delays. Russia gives Iran Garand 3. Everything outrun. Nothing stopping it.
The window is weeks. Gauntlet results. Garand 3 decision. Ukraine export deal. All now.
Ukraine drones to Gulf defense. Gulf pressures Russia. Ukraine ceasefire. One chain.
A $2,500 drone. Connected to American defense, Gulf oil, Ukraine peace, and Russia's calculus.
Putin used drones to weaken Ukraine. Ukraine used them to become irreplaceable. Permanently.
2022, Ukraine needed weapons. 2026, America needs Ukraine's weapons. Identity flipped.
Subscribe. Drone war developing daily. Assembly Secrets is your source. Bell on.
Next, America is burning weapons faster than building them. China has the count. Wild Hornets, started as volunteer nonprofit for mine clearance, now selling to Pentagon. Sting drones on robot boats off Odessa. Same concept, now needed in Gulf. Sting, 3D printed, thermal targeting, 315 kilometers per hour, 25 kilometer range, 15-minute deploy. Anywhere. Merops, fixed wing, 95% hit rate, $15,000, fits pickup truck, autonomous targeting. Magura V5, 450 kg explosive, 800 kilometer range, remote operated, sank Russian warships, no crew needed.
Drone Dominance Program Go. 4 phases, $150 million. Phase 1, Ukrainian companies selected. Hegseth approved.
Shahed 30K versus Patriot 13.5M. America loses 451. Sting $2,500. America wins 12-1.
Ukraine drone boats cleared the Black Sea. Same doctrine hold, now for the Persian Gulf.
Final numbers, all verified.
Ukraine drone war, by the numbers.
Assembly secrets, drone war, daily coverage, every development.
Here first.
No Navy. Ukraine built one, from scratch, in underground factories. Sank Russia's fleet.
Fiber optic drones, immune to all jamming. Russia cannot stop them. Nobody can.
Russia considering Jiran 5 for Iran 2. Faster than Jiran 3. Nobody has an answer yet.
Bullfrog, American autonomous turret. Mounts on any vehicle. Targets Shaheds autonomously.
Russia's weapon 2022. America's defense 2026. Ukraine made that happen.